With this recipe, my grandmother no longer feels pain in her knees and has regenerated her tendons. My grandmother had been suffering with pain in her knees for a long time, but after she learned this recipe, she was back to walking without pain in a short time. I will teach you this recipe, and at the end of the video I have prepared a list with 8 foods that you should avoid if you have knee and joint problems. So tell me which city you are watching this video from, okay? The symptoms of knee and joint pain usually arise from an inflammatory reaction in the body's tissues. Their appearance indicates that cartilage and ligaments are wearing down, although it can also warn of an injury. It can occur in a mild or chronic form, depending on its cause. And a great ally in these hours are the recipes of natural origin, which help speed up your recovery, without causing unwanted side effects. One of them is prepared with lemon peel and extra virgin olive oil. 2 ingredients that relax the sore region to soothe joint pain in no time. These are 2 natural ingredients that cannot be missing in your home. The lemon peel and olive oil recipe is an external use product, which after being applied to the sore area, helps improve the joint to promote joint relief. You will need 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, the peels of 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon of saffron, and also 1 glass jar to store the ingredients. Cut the lemon peel into small cubes and place in the glass jar. Add the saffron and mix in the olive oil, making sure to cover the peels completely. Cover tightly and store in a cool, dark place for 2 weeks. It takes a while, but its effect is wonderful. After this time, remove the lemon peel and use its liquid. This recipe can be applied as a preventive method for knee and joint pain, but can also be used to treat it. Dip a bandage in the mixture and then apply it to the sore joint. You can use it on the knee, elbow, shoulder. Cover with plastic wrap, and if possible a cloth. Leave the oil on overnight, so that the compounds take effect while you sleep. Apply this every night until the pain is reduced. As a preventative, you can apply it at least 3 times a week. For a more relaxing sensation, heat the oil in a water bath before applying it. But make sure that the temperature is bearable so as not to cause burns on the skin. Optionally, you can use it to massage your joints, and also when they are sore from fatigue or fluid retention. This recipe lasts a long time, so you can make it once and use it for a long time. But even though the application of this product reduces pain, it is crucial to improve your lifestyle habits by maintaining a healthy diet and exercising regularly. These ingredients decrease inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Lemon peel contains substances such as citronella and phellandrine, 2 essential oils that help relax muscles and joints, preventing difficulties in their ability to move. Extra virgin olive oil contains antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to soothe inflamed and sore tissues. These 2 ingredients together improve the cellular oxygenation process and, in turn, optimize the transport of nutrients to the joints, which is a determining factor in cartilage wear. Now I'll tell you 8 foods you should avoid if you have knee and joint problems. Red and processed meats, such as ham, sausage, salami. Refined sugar, milk and its derivatives, such as cheese, cottage cheese, cream. Excess salt, corn oil, eggs, wheat flour, and fried foods. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of foods like these can help minimize pain and the symptoms associated with it. To conclude this video, I will pass on a message that is in Proverbs 21:31. One prepares the horse for the day of battle, but it is the Lord who gives the victory. This verse, however, makes it clear that the victory belongs to the Lord. He is our protector, our guide, and our salvation. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.